What's up, guys? It's Biggs. We're back. We're here in house number 3 of 4. We got about a week left in Greece. I'm gonna show you guys a house tour. Audio sounds a little weird out there. It might sound a little weird out here because the fan. Basically showing you guys everything. Room number 1, my brothers. Coming on over here. Room number 2, bathroom, which is pretty fucking wild, dude. No shower. And these fucking dudes in here. Let's bring it into the living room. Got this place. The fan is it's kind of crazy, man. We got our fan, big boy PO. Shout out to fucking North PD, dude. Big fan over here. Over here we got a little gym area. Fucking punching bag. I'm kind of hyped about that. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I'm scared to turn off that fan, so I'm gonna leave it on. I'm sorry if the audio is a little fucking weird. But yeah, we got this over here, which is kind of dope. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what it is, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Alright, on to floor number 2. So apparently this is their first time ever having anyone stay in their Airbnb. Fan number 2 over here, my 2 fans. We got the kitchen, another little space, room number 3, bathroom number 2. They actually have a shower. Like, good for them. Let me show you outside. We got the fucking view. Look at this place. Oh god, we don't want to let that door close. Actually, no, it's fine. We're chilling. We got this over here. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Anyways, it might be pretty windy out here. Look at those houses. That's awesome. But the beach is actually, well, technically it's just over that hill. But the beach we go to is out over there. Birds fly around. This is all like our space as well. But this place we're staying in is 3 stories. The people who rented it out to us for 5 days, Airbnb, are living on the bottom story, and we get the 2 top floors, which is pretty awesome. This is definitely my favorite place out of the 3 we've stayed at. The 4th one is going to be another small one like the first one. You guys didn't even see it. You might not even see the 4th one just because how small it is. What's up, guys? We're back. We're here in Greece. Today we're in Hava. Basically, it's a really small town. This is kind of it. There's a couple beaches back there. I wanted to take a break from the beaches. We've been to the beaches basically every single day here. But I'll probably show you guys a couple things around the town. There's a lot of nice like little shops and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll freaking take you with me. So Greece is pretty damn famous for all its beaches. And this is just one of like hundreds of different beaches. But it's quite beautiful. Quite fucking beautiful. I've been to the birds here are loud as hell, but I've been to 6 or 7 different beaches already, and personally I'm not a big fan of beaches compared to some other people, but yeah, man, I've gotten a lot. That's my kind of place right there. Some internet games, boys. Yo, what is that? Hijack that? So one of the main things I've noticed from traveling in Greece is there's so much graffiti, and like all of it like coincides, about 90% of it coincides with having to do with the team PAOK, which is the Greek team in the Thessaloniki, the team that my dad always supported. And I mean, it's great to show team spirit and stuff, but like literally every single like block, anything like public is like tagged. It's all tagged. Like I'm coming up on this right here, and if you see Aries is the other team in Thessaloniki. And then there's also Pauk as well. But like all of these are tagged. And like, it sucks, man. It sucks. Alright, what's up guys? We're back, we're here. It's our last day on the beach here in Placidi, Greece. And it's been amazing. I gotta say, I love it. We got only 4 more days, no, 3 more days now until we have to leave back to the States. So today we're spending a day at the beach. I went into town back there, and then we're driving back to the Saloniki, and we're gonna have 1 more Airbnb and 1 more hotel before we leave. But yeah, this town is super small, super cute. I freaking love it. The beaches have been amazing. I'm not a big fan of the beaches, but like, come on, bro. This is amazing. Like, I haven't been here in years. Seeing my family is amazing. Just like freaking everything. Also the support from you guys on Twitter and stuff like that. Just messages I've been getting like, man, when are you coming back? When are you gonna be streaming? All this stuff. You guys are probably gonna be seeing this when I'm already back, when I'm already streaming again. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you all for coming out. Love you all. This may be the outro to the vlog. If it is, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great night, great morning, great day, wherever you are. Peace out, guys. It's a video.
No.